Welcome to the new Kids Corner. Hi friends, let's learn about the letter I. I is the ninth letter in the English alphabet and it is classified as a vowel letter. Here is a letter I in uppercase. It is also known as a big or capital letter. Now we are going to write uppercase I. Start with the top and make a line down. Go to the top and make a line across. Then go to the bottom and make another line across. Now you try. Here is a letter I in lowercase. It is also known as a small or simple letter. Now we are going to write lowercase I. Start in the middle and make a line down. Then go up above the middle and make a small dot. Now you try. Shall we learn words starting with letter I? I is for ibis. I is for iceberg. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cube. I is for iced coffee. I is for icing. I is for identity. I is for igloo. I is for igloo. I is for iguana. I is for ill. I is for impala. I is for incense. I is for incisor. I is for index. I is for indigo. I is for infant. I is for ingot. I is for ingredients. I is for inhaler. I is for injection. I is for ink. I is for insects. I is for inside. I is for institute. I is for instruments. I is for insulin. I is for internet. I is for interview. I is for inventor. I is for invitation. I is for iPad. I is for iPhone. I is for iris. I is for iris. I is for iron. I is for island. I is for itchy. I is for ivory. I is for ivy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love your video.